Turn the page, live your life every day. Don't let anybody stand in your way.
All right, we've got the last of the summer tomatoes and cucumbers. This is a sharp cheddar, and that's a Colby Jack. That's some sourdough bread, and that's some mayonnaise. And I'm Mike Foster. How you guys doing? Now you guys, Mike, I've seen these tomato cheese, cucumber sandwiches before. Probably. I made one years ago, but I'm going to show you the perfect, simplest way to make a tomato, cucumber, and cheese sandwich so it doesn't slide all over the place. Sometimes you stack them up, they go flying. Check this out. I'm going to lightly toast that bread and put this baby together. It takes seconds. All right, this is lightly toasted. You're going to put a lot of mayo on both sides. You're going to put one tomato here. Now here's the key. I usually put the cheese down first, but since it's lightly toasted, this bread can hold these veggies. Then you're going to put your cukes here. We want no slidey. Now you're going to add some pepper on both sides because these veggies love pepper. They also love salt. Just a little because the cheese will have salt. That's the first secret. The second secret is putting more mayo so the cheese will stick on both sides. Then you put these babies right here. Okay. Now that cheese is ready for sticky. Here's the flipperoo. Oh yeah. Center it. Press-a-roo. Ready for the slicer-roo. Here's the reveal. That is one beautiful sandwich. Let's get a close-up. There it is. There's the close-up. Big bite coming up. Can't wait. There it is again. You know, tomato, cucumbers, cheese, slightly toasted with mayonnaise on sourdough. Mmm. That's stunning. It's awesome. Look at that. The cheeses come in. One is creamy. One's sharp. The mayonnaise and tomato are sweet. And the cuke is crunchy and get that cukey taste. Simple, but perfect. Sweet baboon, delicious. You want to see more videos like this? Check out my YouTube channel, Live Life 365. Tell people about it, subscribe. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
Except for this one. It's gonna slide in my mouth. And you're like, Mike, that's a mayo sandwich. Nothing wrong with that. What is it? That's good. I'm making lunch for my wife right now, right here. That's how it works. Baba.